If you own an iPhone 14 Plus, listen up. Apple has launched a service program to fix a rear camera issue where the preview doesn't show. This affects models manufactured between April 10, 2023 and April 28, 2024. To check if your device is eligible, enter your serial number on Apple's website. If you've already paid for repairs, contact Apple for a refund. Eligible models can get a free repair within 3 years from the original purchase date. Remember, repairs might be limited to the country or region where you bought your phone. You can visit an Apple store, an authorized service provider, or arrange mail-in service. Note, this program doesn't extend your standard warranty. Stay informed and keep your devices running smoothly.